My name is Allison Merten, and I am the owner and founder of Allison Merten Editing and Tutoring, LLC. Thank you for joining me for today's episode of Learn English with Allison Merten. Today, I'm going to talk about how to make affirmative statements in the past progressive tense. We use the past progressive tense when we want to talk about an action that is in progress at the same time as another action or at a specific time in the past. The structure is I, he, she, it, was plus verb ing. You, we, they, were plus verb ing. For example, I was working at 3:00 p.m. He was kneeling when he asked her to marry him. She was sleeping at 9:00 p.m. It was bathing when the doorbell rang. Bathe is an irregular verb. Please see the other videos to learn about how to add ing to irregular verbs. You were gardening at 1:10 p.m. We were eating when you called. They were walking their dog at 9:30 a.m. Now you know the structure for making affirmative sentences in the past progressive tense. In the next episode, I am going to talk about going to the doctor. Thank you for watching today's video. If you liked today's video, please press the like button and share with your friends. If you have a topic that you would like to learn, please post it in the comments below. If you would like to learn more English, please subscribe to this channel. If you want to learn English with me, one-on-one, please contact me at www.allisonmertenet.com. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.